Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Google Meet so you can present your work, collaborate on documents, and lead meetings like a pro in 2026. Let's get into it. First, join or start your meeting. Screen sharing only becomes available once you are active inside a call. Go to meet.google.com, sign in, and either click New Meeting or enter a code to join an existing one. Ensure your camera and microphone are configured in the green room before you hit Join Now. Next, access the Present Now menu. Google Meet has updated its interface in 2026 to make the sharing controls more accessible in the main toolbar. Look at the bottom center of your meeting screen. Click on the Share Screen icon. You will see three distinct options. Your entire screen shares everything on your monitor. A window shares only one specific application. A tab shares a single browser tab. Lastly, confirm and manage your stream. Once you've made your choice, you need to give the final permission to start the broadcast. Select a specific screen, window from the pop-up, and click the Share button. A notification will appear saying you are presenting. When you're finished, simply click the Stop Presenting button or the Stop Sharing bar at the bottom of your screen. And that's pretty much it. To share your screen in 2026, click the Present Now icon at the bottom of your Google Meet call, choose between Entire Screen, Window, or Tab, and click Share. Using the tab option for videos and the new Open a New Window feature for viewing will give you the smoothest experience possible. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.